Hi students, we will see how to draw an Archimedean spiral. It is one type of special curve. Here the diameter of circle is given 70 mm. Let us see how to draw spiral. First we have to mark the center point O. Then we have to draw a circle of diameter 70 mm and radius 35 mm. Divide the circle into 12 or 8 equal divisions. The total included angle in a circle is 360 degree. We know. We have to divide the 360 degree into 12 equal parts or 8 equal parts. In this question, the 360 degree angle will be divided into 12 equal parts. So 360 degree divided by 12, that is equal to 30 degree. After splitting 12 equal parts, we have to mark that points A, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, 12 dash. The 12 dash is denoted by A in this diagram. Why we mark in anti-clockwise direction means the spiral will start from A point and end with center point O. So we have to mark the points in anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, we have to divide the radius of circle into 12 equal parts. Here the radius of circle is 35 mm. So we have to divide the 35 mm into 12 equal parts as shown in figure. After that we have to give points. We have to give after splitting the radius into 12 equal parts, we have to mark that points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. The 12th point is center point. Then we have to draw a arc from first point from center point O. The radius will be O1. Similarly, we have to draw another arc from second point from the same center point O. That radius will be equal to O2. Similarly, third arc should be drawn from O point. The radius should be O3. Similarly, you have to draw arc from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th point from center point O and taking the radius O3, O4, O5, O6, O7, O8. Similarly, we have to draw all the arcs from center point and taking the distance from O as radius. Then we will get point P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11. Similarly, center point O. Then then join all the points from A. Starting point will be A. Then A, P1, P2, P3. Join all the points up to center point O. This curve is known as Archimedean spiral. Thank you.